Marine15 is now just over 2 months away. The conference itself represents a unique opportunity to be able to engage with your peers and to network with people from around the world who share a similar passion to you in relation to the marine industry. It's a unique opportunity to understand what's happening today in Australia, what's happening economically around the world, and ultimately what it means for the boating business. Early bird registrations close soon, so make a prudent decision, register today. I look forward to seeing you there.